Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video, I want to talk to you about some of the benefits of having a wireless printer. Now, wireless printers have been out for some time now, and they just keep getting better and better. Now, some of the manufacturers of these wireless printers are HP, you have Epson, there is Brother who makes these as well, and Canon. These are just some of the manufacturers that make these wireless printers. Now, they are priced differently. Sometimes you have sales. Black Friday deals are now in play. So if you're looking for a wireless printer, then this is a good time to buy one. Now, with wireless printers, you don't have to use the wireless function. That's just optional. If you choose to just connect it to your computer or laptop via the USB cable, you can do that and the printer will still work. But if you want to use the wireless function, then that's more of a benefit, because once you get it connected to your network, you can take that printer. You don't have to still have it beside your computer or your laptop. You can actually move it to any place in your house. You can move it to another room. You can put it in a cabinet or desk. You can have it anywhere else in your house, and as long as you have a plug to plug it into to power it on, it should be able to work from wherever it is placed. That's a benefit that I firmly enjoy. Another benefit to some of these wireless printers is that they will automatically self-update themselves as long as they're connected to the network. Brother is well known. It will update the firmware to it automatically. It will clean itself. It will update the software. There are a lot of things that it will do without you as the user have to do or have to input. I personally have one of these, and I've had HPs before. HPs were okay, but I was having issues with HPs and decided to go with a Brother, and I've not had any issues with Brother since. But that's just my personal preference. Your personal experience with any one of these manufacturers of printers will differ. Some of these printers have what's called an auto document feeder, which is this part of the device right here, and that will enable you to put in multiple pages so that you can scan or copy or fax or do whatever you need to do with those sheets of paper, instead of you just putting it in the scanning glass, which is up under here, where you have to scan one page at a time and flip it over, or you have to replace it with another page. The auto document feeder will allow you to print multiple pages at one time. Another key feature about these wireless printers is that you can print from your smart devices, meaning smartphone or your tablet. You just have to go to Google Play or the Apple Store and download the app for the printer, install it, connect it to your printer, and you should be good to print from your smart device to the printer. Also with that, you can actually print, as long as the printer is a cloud printer, you can print from your smart devices anywhere in the world. So you can be in a totally different continent. As long as you have a good signal, you should be able to print to your printer. Now, it may take a while for it to happen. It may take a while for the signal to come through to your printer, because you're talking about if you're on one side of the world and your printer's on another side of the world, it may take a while for the print to come through. But then again, if you're not home, you'll know that it worked when you get home and the paper is printed out on your printer. Some of these printers have Amazon Alexa built into them that it works with, Google Assistant, Ring. I don't have that feature on my printers, so I can't really go into too much detail about it. But to me, as many features as you can get from one of these wireless printers, the better and the more convenient that it can become to you. This printer also has automatic two-sided printing, which means that if you want to print out 2 pages, instead of it printing out one page and another page, it will print on one side of the page and when it finished that, it will feed the paper back into the printer and print on the other side of the page. That to me is a plus because it saves on the number of papers that you have to keep restocking inside of the printer. As long as you have the this auto document feeder, it will do that. Now if it doesn't have this auto document feeder, then double-sided printing may not work on some of these printers, such as this particular Canon printer right here. It does not have a auto document feeder, so it may not enable you to do the double-sided or dual-side printing. It just has the scanner glass here, so be mindful of that. They have sales going on right now for Black Friday for a lot of these printers, so if you're looking for a wireless printer, then Black Friday deals are out there. Now I'm just at the Best Buy's website, but pretty much any electronic store is having sales right now, I'm sure. So I hope that this helps you out when it comes to knowing about the wireless printers, the functionality and the features and the benefits of a wireless printer. I highly recommend getting a wireless printer. And once again, if you do not wish to use the wireless function of this wireless printer, you still can plug it in via USB cable to your computer or laptop, desktop or laptop, and it will still work. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.